Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into my one of my favorite productivity tool, which is the Trello. So if you're someone who loves organizing your tasks visually, planning your projects, and simply keeping your life in order, this tutorial is perfect for you. So in this video, I'll walk you through the basic of Trello and from creating your first board, adding lists and cards, setting deadlines, using label, and even automating tasks and using Butler. By the end of this vlog, um, style tutorial, you will know how exactly how to use Trello to manage your work, your business, or even your personal life. So grab your phone and laptop, open your Trello with me, and let's get started. So first off, I have already typed in my task here on the left side. Well, first off, you're going so Okay, so for me, I have already I'm already done with the process of signing in and creating my account as well. So what I'm gonna do here is just to go to my Trello board, which is this one. Okay, so if you also want to add your colleagues or your um, other members that you wanted to add here on Trello, simply gonna have to click on this share button and then type on their emails and then share it with them. Okay. And another thing that I've made already is that I added here on this panel. So I added my task here. So let's go ahead and organize this one. So for the task that I have here, oh, hold on. Did I? Mm, okay, hold on. So for the task that I have here, workflow in Trello, that's what I'm going to do now. Okay. So the next one is workflow in Asana, and then set up in Slack. Okay. So for later, I will be needing to set up these. Okay. So add event in the calendar, add at least 2 contacts. Okay. And then, hold on. I just want to make sure that I didn't forget anything else. Okay. On my Trello, let's add card. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do for today's video or for today and for today's task. And then let's make another list ongoing. Okay. And then another one is done. Well, let me go ahead and change the color of this one. This one has to be an urgent priority. This is after the urgent priority. And then later task should be green. Ongoing, I want it pink. And then done should be black. Okay. So it's like you're organizing your calendar or your portfolio, which wherein you will what do you call this? Organize it by color, based on urgency of the work or based on where you're at um, on the process. So I am already starting using the Trello. So what I'm gonna do is that I am going to hold on. Mm, okay, so I have already started using Trello. Already done with sign-in projects. Done with sign-in process. Okay, let me go ahead and do this, and then already um, currently hold on currently recording a video. Okay, so let's save it, and then let's put this one on the ongoing, since we are doing this one right now. And if you're a mentor or um, well, a coach or a client, then you can probably leave on comments here. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to add this account of mine for me to be able to check this ongoing project. Okay, so let me go ahead and dismiss that. Okay, so I can annotate, or I can write comment here that good job. I'm looking forward of seeing your recording. It's like you're talking to seeing your recording. Okay, it's like you're talking um on a messenger, or it's like you're talking with your coach, but indirectly, because sometimes they're not online to check on your task. And then for example, so I am currently doing workflow in Trello. So um, I have already placed some tasks on my card. We call this one card. So currently recording, and will send an email link in a bit. Something like that. Okay. So this is still also in an ongoing process. Okay. So I have found out that I can also um, make another. I am just not sure if okay, like make another project here, because I used to have Trello on my previous course, and then they have like what do you call this? I just don't I just cannot elaborate it further. So they have like cards here, wherein hold on, let me try. So day one, day two, day three, day four, and day five. Let me try this one. Although of course I don't know yet if this will um copy card archive. No open card. Hold on. Okay, what I'm talking about is that I used to have this Trello account, but then there's like a board here, or an inbox here, wherein I can click on a link, and then I'll go to another Trello workflow or workspace, and then it has a link in it that you can work with your task on a daily basis. So for example, this task, let me go ahead and check. Oh, here. Okay, so you can paste, for example, this link right here is for day 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste it on, and then day 3 task on MVA search. Okay, so let's try if this would work. Oh yeah, it works. So as for your day 1 description, see attached. This is for coaches, or if you're the client, then you can use this one. So see attached link for your task. Okay, so let's save that one. Okay, and it's already here in your, hold on, where is the day 1? Oh, okay, here on your day 1. So it's up to you if you're going to do it later. Okay, you're gonna have to organize your Trello account. So also, if you want to include your um, if you want to include your calendar, okay, for example, this one, you're just gonna have to copy. Hold on, let me go ahead and try this one instead. Okay, so for example, this one, and you want to copy it. Copy to left stitch. Hold on. Or you just simply drag and copy, okay, and then go back to Trello and then add a card for later, okay, so that you will be just one card, okay, so that you will be reminded that you do have a schedule on Friday for your interview, okay. So that's basically it. You're just gonna have to drag and drop, and then also leave a comment. Also, if you're done, like for example, for the day 1, I have um already made that. Hold on, let me go ahead and add my account. Hold on. If for example I have already made that YouTube video, for example this one, so I'm just gonna copy the link. Okay, go back to my Trello on my day 1. I'll put on in the comment that day 1, uh, what's this again? So file and folder management, file and folder management link, or YouTube link. Okay, so at least your coach or your client will know that you have already submitted that, or you have already accomplished that. So for day 1, you can just simply drag it on the done section, okay, since you're already done with it. And then again, um, of course, you're going to take note of your urgencies, which is the red, blue, green column. Also, if you're done with using Trello, or if you're done with your task on the ongoing, then you're gonna have to put it on done. And then don't forget to comment in the link of your video, recorded video. Okay, so that's basically it. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye.